Hi, welcome back to EST Online. Today we're looking at the verb spend. And how do we use the word spend? That's the topic of this video. We spend time on a noun, or we spend time doing something. That's it. Nice and easy. Spend is a common mistake that I hear people make. So let's look at some practical examples. I spent 30 minutes on my homework. I spent 2 hours on this project. I spent 6 months on this assignment. I spent 30 minutes playing tennis. I spent a lot of time watching TV. This is also fine. So we have two choices. Spend time, and time we can count, spend 30 minutes, or spend a lot of time, or spend a little time, on plus a noun phrase, or simply doing something. I spent 30 minutes cooking dinner last night. So watch out for that. That's how to use the verb spend. And it's a verb we commonly use, especially when it connects to time. When we're talking about money, we spend money on something. We don't spend money doing something. I spent $30 watching a movie. I spent $30 on the movie ticket. That's more natural. So be careful. When we spend money, we generally don't say spend money doing something. We say spend money on something. All right, so be careful with that one. All right, today we looked at the verb spend and how to use it. Thanks so much for joining us. See you next time. Bye.